On 21st August 2020, Netflix saw another release of its film Class of 83. It is a Hindi crime drama film directed by Atul Sabharwal and produced by Gauri Khan and Gaurav Verma under the banner of Red Chillies Entertainment. It is inspired from a book of similar name, The Class of 83 by S. Hussain Zaidi, who was also the associate producer of the film. It stars Bobby Deol as Dean Vijay Singh, Anup Soni as Manohar Patkar, Joy Sengupta as Raghav Desai, Hitesh Bhojraj as Vishnu Varde, Bhupendra Jadawat as Pramod Shukla, Samir Paranspe as Aslam Khan, Ninad Mahajani as Lakshman Jadhav, Prithvik Pratap as Janardhan Surve, Vishwajit Pradhan as Mangesh Dikshit, and Adesh Bhardwaj as Umar Kalsekar, among others. The plot starts with the training center at Nashik in 1982, where Vishnu Varde, Pramod Shukla, Aslam Khan, Lakshman Jadhav, and Janardhan Surve join as trainees for joining the police force under the training officer Mangesh Dikshit. The dean of the training center, Vijay Singh, is often unseen and has never appeared before any trainees to give any training practically or theoretically until one day when Varde, Shukla and Aslam decide to retaliate to Dikshit's strictness during the training, attacking him during midnight at his room when Dean Vijay Singh, knowing about the attack beforehand, beats the hell out of them. The next day he warns them but doesn't rusticate them, along with Jadhav and Surve, for being the lowest performers in the training because of their attitude. He finds something special in them, and even after Dikshit advising him otherwise, he gives them chance and starts training the entire unit differently in order to fulfill the potential of these 5 trainees. At the end of the training, he informs them about a gangster, Kalsekar, and his men and how the system is helping them under Minister Manohar Patkar. They eventually embark on their respective journeys as police officers and eliminate Kalsekar's men one by one until they are torn apart and reborn again to find their purpose as policemen and friends overall. The direction is really good. The info in detailing is just mind-blowing. The era of the 80s is nicely created with the background of the set. The production design is acutely noted and set, truly remarkable at that. The infrastructure of the 80s along with the old buildings and atmosphere was very well depicted. The characters are deeply rooted into the plot that creates a great impact for the story. The cinematography is just perfect to create a visual effect of that era too. Also, the film correctly showcases the crime rate and law and order situation at the time. However, the film could have had a greater impact as it had the potential to become a cult story with the amazing plot. Also, all the individual characters should have had more exposure into the story. The protagonist's personal life and their overall characters were not shown extensively. Also, the antagonist, Kalsekar's character, that had only one major appearance in the end and only mentions and photographs till that scene. All these characters had less focus, which should have had more detailing that could have intensified the story further. The soundtracks and background music was good for the build-up of sequences. The acting performance of each individual character was wonderful. Anup Soni as Manohar Patkar was very convincing. He is a very good actor that has got a good opportunity here where he excels competently. Joy Sengupta as Officer Raghav Desai, Vijay Singh's friend, was a good portrayal. Not a central character, but was a protective cover for Vijay Singh's character to protect his role in Kalsekar's tracking and encounter squad's role. Hitesh Bhojraj as Vishnu Varde was commanding in his role. His body language was apt and convincing. Bhupendra Jadawat as Pramod Shukla was very characteristic in his portrayal. He was confident and was wonderful in expressions. There is definitely a good future ahead of him. Samir Paranspe as Aslam Khan was good. His characterization was nice, and being the voice behind the narration of the story, it feels connecting. Ninad Mahajani as Lakshman Jadhav and Prithvik Pathak as Janardhan Surve were also good. The entire cast was amazing in their respective performances. So was Vishwajit Pradhan as Mangesh Dikshit. He is a powerful actor who has portrayed his character amazingly. Being a potent performer always, he was a natural even here, even though it was a brief role. Bobby Deol as Dean Vijay Singh, I think it was a career-defining performance for him where he needed something like this. After his performance in Bardasht, I think this one has come out really well for him. He literally pulled out rabbit from the hat this time, showcasing his acting brilliance. He should present such performances more often. It's high time. The film was average but good. It could have been better, but performance-wise and plot-wise, it was really good with great production design to perfectly showcase the era of the 80s with the crime drama. So how do you like the film? Have you watched it already? Do let me know in the comments. Also suggest which content you would like to be reviewed or discussed. If you like this video, make sure you press the like button down below. Share the video with your friends and family. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon to get all the notifications from this channel for fresh content. Stay tuned for more such sassy and wacky entertainment. Thank you, signing out.